Hey guys, it's me, Poppy Rain here. Sorry my hair is a hot mess. I just woke up not too long ago. Well, almost 2 hours ago now. But I'm not really trying to do my hair because I was gonna go. The plan was I was gonna dye my hair, do that video for you guys. Then I was gonna film. Well, it was sitting in my hair. I was gonna film putting together the kitty condo, Coraline's new kitty tree. And then I was gonna shower and get dressed and stuff, and then I was gonna film doing my closet upstairs. But Daddy wants to do the tree now, so we're gonna film the tree now. Then I'll film doing my hair. Then when my hair is sitting, we will film the upstairs.
No, the sign does not go upstairs.
And I'll have to grab a couple of things that are down here.
Why is it covered down here too then?
To come upstairs. So, first thing, while Daddy's going to the bathroom dealing with the chillins, I'm going to get my shite off the top of it. Because my shite from the last 50 videos is sitting on top of here. So hi, I'm Poppy Rain. Welcome to America. So I'll show you what's on top of here. We have these from which I gotta dump. From my, glitter babies. Here's my one glitter baby. I don't know what her name is. Here's the cardboard cutout for January Snowflake. Oh, Dreama Stardust. That's her name. The glitter babies. I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. I'm going to do something with them. We have a stand piece from Moonlight BB. We have a scrunchie from, what's her face? From the leopard print hair doll. Here's Moonlight BB. Here's the leopard hair print doll that I did yesterday. I have to redo, I don't know what I'm going to do with these right now because I have to redo that shelf, but hold on. Gotta go put these in the toy box at least.
That's what's gonna be for lunch, dude. You can't wait after I put the cat shoe together.
Because literally everything on that shelf, guys, is falling over because I need... Daddy... Why is that in there? Daddy needs to get me stands at some point for my dolls.
Dude, go play.
Here is January Snowflake. If you guys want to watch the videos, go watch the videos. Go check that out. Here's my other Barbie. I reviewed my first Fastinisha Barbie. And then I showed you guys this. But here is the Alice Adventures in Wonderland Classic Edition with pop-out, 5 pop-out pages. I got that from Ollie's. I'm going to do a video reading that too. And you guys are at a really... And there you go. You can kind of see the... Yeah, you can't really see the kitty trees right here. Do we need scissors?
Probably not, because I have a box cutter.
And you see Daddy's big ass. Big ass Daddy. Go play. The kitty tree is not very big. It is smaller than the one she had before. Well, yeah. The one she had before was too tall. Oh, it's in like 5,000 pieces. I'm probably going to have to read directions because Dad doesn't read directions. Figure out what piece is what. Here's the very complicated directions. I mean, it doesn't look actually that complicated. Just figuring out which piece is which. Is that the bottom piece? No. That's the middle.
Go play.
That's the middle piece.
I don't have
I think this is the bottom
enough room
piece.
in here.
Is that the one you just... Oh. There's bottom piece. You need all the screws. You need the skinny, whatever the skinnier poles are. Yeah, you need the skinnier ones.
No, the ceiling, you fucking idiot. What the fuck are you thinking right now? Okay, now hear me out. I've never done the ceiling before, but if you give me like 20 minutes, I'm sure I can figure it out. I'm being sarcastic, you fucking idiot, goddamn. Hey, son. Yes, bitch.
You might want to get over. We're supposed to be turning right.
There's even a rope for it. Yeah, what's that, Spookers?
You need to get over. I know, you're sitting right next to
Pookers, is that for
me. You
you?
could at least acknowledge me. Will you quit snapping at me?
Pookers.
Oh, I'm so sorry that I want us to go in the right direction. Guys.
Aw, guys, she found a fly.
It'll be fine. Exactly.
Flycatcher extraordinaire.
Oh, great. Now you're going to have an attitude.
Those
No,
look
I'm done
too
talking
fat.
to you. Okay, well, then maybe we should
There's
just break up.
3
No.
50 centimeters,
Break up, fine. I'll just jump up.
which we need.
Fine, but this time you're paying for the
These are the
hospital
50s.
bill. I'm not covering it.
I believe so, because there's only 2 of these ones.
Oh, then what's this piece?
But God forbid, I have an emotion. What? Don't talk about my mother. Why?
That
You talk about mine all
cross-section.
the time. You can talk about my mother. It's okay. You know what, Tiffany? I'm over
Please.
this. I'm done. Okay. Well, I've been done since last year. You know when your friend Trevor gave
What
me
goes
his
in
number
between
at the
them?
beach house? Trevor did. I'm about to drive this car off the road. Go ahead. I don't care. Please don't forget that I'm back here and I've done nothing. I'm going to smash this truck into a semi. Good. Do you mind stopping?
Oh, she's already claimed it.
First, and then you guys can kill each other all you want. Great.
Are you claiming it?
Embarrass me in front of my best friend. She's not your friend. Her and I hooked up a year ago.
Guys, she's already claimed that the kitty tree is her own.
Second thought. Jason, drive us off the road. I'm ready to perish. You might want to get over. We're supposed to be turning right soon.
She's already claimed it.
Did you hear me?
Okay, we need screws. Do we need a screwdriver? She's already decided this K tree is for me. Oh no, you got an Allen wrench. You don't need a screwdriver.
It's these 2 that go in between those 2.
Okay, so which size screws do you need? I don't see the little short ones. Am I dumb? I don't see little short. Okay, there's one of these. And so what is this? No, there's 2 of those. There's 6 of these, but there should be 8. And we're missing that one. Wait, are these all this? No, this one's different. Yeah, I'm only seeing one of those. Yeah, there's supposed to be 2 of those. Because that's, yeah, that's 8. That's the right screw. We're missing a screw, guys. She's all nosy, guys. She's like, what are we doing? Is it for me? It's for the britches. Is that not the right one? Because that's the only one I see 8 of. That has to be the right screw.
It is.
Daddy's having issues with tissues. There's even a hidey hole, guys. The kitty's got a hidey hole. No, you need the 50cm ones. There should be 3 of them.
Then it's these 3.
There's not 2 of those, though. Unless it's these ones. Oh no, it's 2 of these guys. Let's do that one. I do that one. Wait, which direction does it go? Does it go that way or that way? Or does it not matter?
Hello?
Hi.
What's up?
You still planning on picking me up at 1, right?
Yeah.
His mom has to work till 4, so or whatever.
Yeah, it's only gonna take like 10 minutes to pick you up and get you home, so Alright.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
So now they'll be ready by 1?
No. If you're not, you don't need to rush. It's only gonna, like I told Ash, it's only gonna take like 10 minutes to
Right,
get her.
but I gotta do...
Yeah, you can do what you gotta do. It'll be fine.
I mean, I was planning to be out of here by... We were planning on being out of here by, like, noon anyways. That was my goal. I don't even know what time it is, guys.
It's about 11 o'clock.
Oh.
Like I said, if you're not ready, then it's fine. I'll just bring the boys with me while you finish up.
Okay, guys, we got half of it done. Is that right? Or are those backwards? Or does it not really matter? I don't think it really matters.
We're probably gonna have to make them identical.
They're not they're not the same length.
No, what I mean is like that. Like the slant.
Well, yeah, I knew that part. Guys, I'm not as retarded as I look. What do you need?
The tool. I'm practically ready as it is, so then go.
Then Daddy needs this piece. Okay, which piece is that? You need C, which there's not 2. These must be C then, I'm assuming?
Maybe. Loki, what are you doing? Stop sniffing around.
Yeah, because I think because you have to attach another pole on top of it, so that would make sense. There's 2 of those. Where does that go? That goes, like, right underneath the thingy? Wait, you have that back? Oh, no, you don't. You're just backwards from the picture. Because it goes like that, but it doesn't show how it attaches. How does it attach? Because it doesn't look like there's any screws or anything for it.
2 holes on the top.
Oh. Because I don't see any screws that it's saying you need.
That's what the 2 C ones are for.
Huh?
Supposed to go like this.
Okay, well these 2 are for this piece. Where's the holes?
No, they're right here. For the C's.
But how do you... No, you need to attach...
You can't.
How do you attach that piece on then? Because that's what it... Hold on, guys. 'Cause that's what it's showing on the picture. is that these are attached to this.
Oh, we'll get there when we get there.
We have to attach that on first before you can attach that.
Wait, it's right. The hole's right here.
So I don't know. Hold on. Oh wait. So what are these? Hold on. Wait a second. Let me see real quick. Hold on, friends. Come pooping me. Okay, so what are these ones? Those are C's. But these are C's as well. Oh no, the C's go in... Wait. Yeah, the C's hold the ladder. So these ones are for the ladder. No, that one does not go there.
Yes, it does, because it can't go over here. Because you have to attach a pole up over here.
Oh, there's not a hole on the other side?
No. Well, there is, but it's...
Can't attach anything on that side. Okay. So yeah, so the two C's are for that. Oh, do you want the tool? You need a 40 centimeter pole, which is which one? That one? I don't think there's enough screws. No, because this is the 40 centimeter. Oh, okay, because there's already a screw in this, that's why. So, hold on. So what attaches to the top of this? Oh, you're so mean to the puppy. I was holding this right. Okay, so guys. This top piece with a little doohickey attaches to this thing. And then that pole attaches to that when he's got it in. Where's the kitty? Look at what mommy bought you. What are you looking for? Those pieces are for those attached to that. No, yes, there's two of those. It's the only one there's two of. It has to go to that. And then this attaches to that one that's sticking up. And then...
Oh, maybe it'd be easier to do it like this.
What are you doing?
Because if these two go here...
And then I'm not really sure... And then this piece goes on top. That piece goes on top of that, and then this goes on top.
Sorry, Loki.
We're slowly making progress, guys. So where's the holes line up? Is there only one hole in this? There should be two. So So I'm assuming it goes like that, right? No, the corner piece comes out. So this attaches to this one. Daddy's pooping in himself.
Loki, shut up, dude.
Okay. This attaches to that other piece. So what screw is this? This is another... We're supposed to have another A screw left? We don't have another A screw left. We used all 8 of them. This must be another A screw then. Aha. Okay, so how will... So the pole attaches. Damn it. Doesn't want to go in. It's really hard to do without being able to see what you're doing. Yeah, this is stuck. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn. Yeah, I can't do this. It doesn't want to turn. Over here. No, that goes on the corner.
I know, it goes over here.
It goes attaches to that one.
This one?
Whatever one has the pole sticking up from it. Because this attaches to the other side. This attaches towards the middle. Or whatever. Whatever one doesn't have the pole. But the screw is completely stuck.
Don't touch it anymore.
Yeah, I can't get it to turn any direction now at this point. Go play, guys. Well, we're almost done, guys. On a side note, it only took us 30 minutes. Well, actually, the first prize video was not me putting together the cat tree. This is me talking. We literally only have 3 pieces to connect after Daddy finishes this one that he's currently doing. We have to connect that piece because I'm stuck on this one. This one is like, oh wait, hold on, I got to pull out. Maybe I can get the screw in correctly now. No, the screw only goes like halfway in. Yeah, I can't get it. The screw literally only goes halfway in. So the screw for this is inside here, and then here's the screw to attach that to that. Remember, I can get this screw fucking to go in all the way. Doesn't wanna.
Alright, I did this part wrong.
What'd you do wrong?
This is supposed to go over here. So this screw was supposed to go over here, so I had to switch these two. I have to switch these two.
Well, you're gonna have to do that part because I can't get the screw will only go in halfway. Unless maybe that's the wrong screw. They said it was an A screw, and that looks like an A screw to me. Well, Daddy screwed up, guys. He did it backwards. He put the 2 poles in backwards, guys. But anyways, guys, I will hop back on here when the tree is put together, because this is already 32 minutes long, and I don't want it to be too much longer. So I will see you in a little bit, in like 10 minutes or so, when the tree is actually put together. Bye, guys. See you in like the next 10 minutes.